Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ChatGPT search engine. It's actually really easy and simple. Now ChatGPT has actually rolled out the search engine feature. You would see right here, it says search GPT, but this one doesn't have it. I'm going to, free version, but they have actually rolled it out for some free users, and paid users definitely have it. I'm going to show you a workaround how to actually get the ChatGPT search engine if you don't have it right here. So all you want to do is open a new tab and search for search GPT extension. Okay, it's called ChatGPT for Google. You can just search GPT, search this up on Google, and then you come to the Chrome web store. All you want to do is click on add to Chrome, and then when it asks this prompt, just click on add extension, and basically the extension will start downloading. So we're going to wait for it to be done downloading. Okay, it is already done downloading, guys. So an extension will be added just now. All right, now we can do this. We can just come here and search for anything. We can search for what is the biggest planet. Okay, we have searched for what is the biggest planet. Here is what Google is giving. Search GPT for Chrome is searching this up as well. What you can do as well is come here, click on Search GPT, the extension, and you can also search here as well. Okay, guys, this is going to give an answer right here, but here we can also search what is the biggest planet, and it's going to be giving you search results. Just press this, and we'll wait for their response. Let's see. The biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter, of course. It's going to give a bunch of different information on Jupiter. So yeah, this is literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helped, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you're still having trouble. I'll try to help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides so I can see you guys